Good morning, student. Now the same chapter integration and now discuss properties of definite integration. Now the last class that discussed seven properties and one question. Now to say again only a single property, four property. And now question number 8, exercise 7.11 is totally depend on properties of definite integration. Then question is a 0 to pi by 4 is limit and integration of log 1 plus 10x. Now look at student, this is question number 8, exercise 7.11. Now, yesterday I discussed four property and four property when then replace x to upper limit minus x. But this question is a logarithmic and trigonometric, then I apply four property. हमने आपको ये बताया था कि sixth thing then apply four property. One, 5 is the islet root, that means I inverse function, L logarithmic, A algebraic, T trigonometric, A exponential function. यानी जहाँ 5 functions है and numerator में अगर x है तो उसको remove करने के लिए हम fourth property को apply करते हैं. Now here then using four property, then 0 to pi by 4 as it is, log as it is, 1 as it is, plus 10 as it is. Now replace to x to upper limit minus x, that means pi by 4 minus x dx. And now just simplify 0 to pi by 4 as it is, log as it is, 1 as it is. What is the 10 e minus b? What is the 10 pi by 4 minus x? Then simplify I will be tan e minus b. What is the tan e minus b? Tan e minus tan b upon 1 plus tan e into tan. Then what is the value of tan pi by 4? Now the next step 0 to pi by 4 as it is, log 1 plus then tan pi by 4 is 1, then 1 plus 1 minus tan x upon 1 plus tan x. And then 1 plus tan x is LCM. Fourth property apply करें, simplify करें, then 0 to pi by 4 log as it is, now 1 plus tan x LCM, then 1 plus tan x plus 1 minus tan x, then tan x to tan x cancel. Now 0 to pi by 4 as it is, then log 1 plus 1 is 2 upon 1 plus tan x. Right student? And now apply what is the identity of log m upon n. There are three formulas of log. One is the log m into n. What is the log m into n? Log m plus log m. What is the log m upon n? Log n minus log m. And what is the log m raised to power n? That is n log n. So now write this log m upon n, that is a log m minus log n. Right? And now after integration, after fourth property, then simplify and now adding first and second. 80% क्वेश्चन में आप ऐड करके कैलकुलेशन को इजी कर सकते हो. नाउ एडिंग फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड, नाउ दिस साइड I plus I, that is 2i, and that side, now that side 0 to pi by 4 limit as it is, log 1 plus tan x plus log 1 plus tan x plus log 2 minus log 1 plus tan. जैसे आपने इक्वेशन फर्स्ट और सेकंड को ऐड किया, राइट, log 1 plus tan x to log 1 plus tan x cancel. Left is the log 2, and what is the integration of log 2? Since 2 is constant, log 2 is a completely constant. Then constant is out of integration. Then 2i equals to log 2 is a constant. Integration is only 1. And what is the integration of 1? Then x. After integration, substitute the limit. Then log 2 as it is, This is pi by 4 minus 3. Then pi by 4 log 2. This is the value of 2i. But what is I? Pi by 8 log 2. This is answer. So student, this is again same question, fourth property. Fourth property, then x to replace upper limit matrices. Simplify here and adding first and second. Right? This is answer. Student, is a very important fourth property. There are 13 questions. This exercise 13 to 15 questions totally depend on fourth property. Now, this is second property. Student, fourth property से आप solve कर सकते हो questions, right? But this is third property. Then third property, question number 5, 6 and 18. There are 3 questions, 6, 5 and 18. 3 questions are depend on third property. But condition ये इस तरह हमें एग्जाम में कैसे मालूम पड़ेगा कि थर्ड प्रॉपर्टी कहाँ अप्लाई है. Then third property, right, will be applied on modulus function, that is integer function, and when any function given 2 values, then apply fourth property. Sorry, third property. So third property apply 3 things. Third property, then question number 5, minus 5 to plus 5. This is mod x plus 2. Student, किसी भी मॉडुलस फंक्शन का इंटीग्रेशन नहीं होता, but integration is possible only properties. And properties, then apply third property. Third property, when it has to be f of x dx, लिमिट को ब्रेक करना हो a to c and c to लिमिट ब्रेक करना हो, then apply third property. This is third property, right? And third property use 3 things. 1, modulus function. 2, reduced integer function. And third, when any function given 2 values. Now look here, this is modulus function. You know student, 5th chapter में हमने पढ़ा कि what is the modulus function. Then modulus function, there are 2 values. One is positive, one is negative. And then positive when x is greater than 0 and negative x is less than 0. So now here this question of first thing, then using third property. Using third property. थर्ड प्रॉपर्टी अप्लाई करेंगे. फर्स्ट थिंग मॉडुलस के अंदर x plus 2, x plus 2 को 0 इक्वल करोगे तो x की वैल्यू -2. दैट मीन्स हमें लिमिट को ब्रेक करना है. तो व्हाट इज द c? c वेयर c इज बिटवीन a एंड b. दैट मीन्स लिमिट a इज a -5, b इज a 5. लिमिट को ब्रेक करना है तो -5 to -2 एंड -2 to 5. जो भी मॉडल फंक्शन है उसको 0 इक्वल करो, आपको मालूम पड़ जाएगा व्हाट इज c, वेयर c इज बिटवीन a एंड between -5 to +5. मैंने लिमिट को ब्रेक किया. बट इस mod x plus 2 की 2 वैल्यूज, one is positive, other is negative. Which positive? This is x plus 2. This is also x plus 2. But one is negative and one is positive. So which positive? First or second? And depend -5 से -2. That is -4, -3. कोई भी वैल्यू आप यहाँ पे अगर आप -3 plus 2, that is the result is negative. That means this function is negative and this function is positive. And now the simple integration. What is the integration of x? X square upon 2. What is the integration of 2? 2x. And after integration, substitute limit. Then plus. What is the integration of x? X square upon 2. And what is the integration of 2? Then x square upon 2. Plus 2x. And then after integration, substitute the limit. First thing, then upper limit, second lower limit. Then upper limit substitute करेंगे -2 का square, 4, right? Plus 4. 4 upon 2, that is 2. 2 into -2, that is a -4. Minus, lower limit -5. What is the square of -5? 25 upon 2. Then -5, that is a -10. Same thing, 5 upper limit, square of 5, 25, 5 into 10 upper limit, minus lower limit, minus 2 का square 4, 4 upon 2 that is 2. But minus 2 into 2 that is a minus 2 into 2 that is a minus 4. So minus plus 2. Right? So simplify and answer. So student, fourth property and third property are very important. Right? Please solve exercise 7.11. Thank you.